In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way to raise your selling limits. I'll be showing you how to do it both on mobile and desktop, so let's get straight into it. So when you first click on the eBay app, you're going to be on the home page. And to see what your selling limits actually are, click the selling button on the bottom right, scroll all the way down, and you'll see your monthly selling limits right there. Obviously, I don't need to raise mine, but I'm going to show you how you could do it anyway. So from here, you're going to want to click My eBay on the bottom left. Click My eBay, then you're going to want to go ahead and click Help. So you're going to want to wait for it to load, then in the search, go ahead and write Selling Limits. Again, press search, and you could see just right there, currently you've listed or sold blah 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 blah, and then you'll see a button saying Request a Limit Increase. You'll click that button. Now, it'll load and it'll take you to a page that looks like this, and if you are not eligible to actually raise your limit, then you'll see a page looking like this. And if you see a different page than this, then go ahead and follow the instructions. Then you get to call eBay and actually talk to one of the people that are working there to actually raise your limits. Now you want to be on your seller hub, and then from here you're going to want to scroll down. On the home page, just scroll down and you'll see monthly limits right here. Somewhere down here when you scroll, you'll see monthly limits. Again, you could see how many items you could list, how much money you can actually make, and then you'll see two buttons, Learn More and Request to List More. Click Request to List More. And then once you request to sell even more, you'll see Request Higher Selling Limits. And then it'll say, here are some ways to list more items on eBay. Select one to continue. So if there's multiple, just look through them and pick whichever one you want. I only have one, and it says verified through customer support. You click that, you press continue. Then again, like mobile, it'll tell you if you're eligible to actually get an increase or not. And of course, I'm not eligible, but if you are eligible, follow the instructions that they give you, and it's basically the same process as mobile. And if you're getting ready to increase your selling limits, then you might become a top-rated seller soon. And if you don't know what a top-rated seller is, and the requirements and the benefits, watch this video where I break down all the major benefits that you get from being a top-rated seller, and I guarantee that you can become one very soon.